Alpha and beta are the roots of the quadratic equation 6x squared minus 9x plus 2 equals 0. Without solving the equation, find the values of alpha plus beta. Alpha squared times beta squared, 1 out of alpha plus 1 out of beta, and alpha cube plus beta cube. So if I can write the given equation in the format, ax squared, so we can write it as ax squared then plus bx and plus c equals 0. If I write it like that, then I would get a is 6 and b is minus 9, and I'd get c equals 2. Okay, so then I can find the sum of the roots is what the first one is, so alpha plus beta. So alpha plus beta is the sum of the roots, and that is equal to minus b out of a. So minus b out of a is minus of minus 9 out of 6. So that is 9 out of 6, and that is 3 out of 2. So I can write that equal to 3 out of 2. And then alpha square times beta square is same as alpha beta whole square. So alpha times beta is the product of the roots, and that is equal to c out of a, or 2 out of 6, that is 1 out of 3. So this would be equal to 1 out of 3 whole square, that is 1 out of 9. So that would be equal to 1 out of 9. So the next one, one out of alpha plus 1 out of beta equals beta plus alpha, sorry, I should write beta plus alpha divided by alpha beta. So beta plus alpha is sum of the roots, alpha plus beta. That would be 3 out of 2 divided by 1 out of 9. That is, no, sorry, 1 out of 3. 1 out of 9 is the square of alpha beta. So then 3 out of 2 divided by 1 out of 3 is 3 out of 2 times 3, that is equal to 9 out of 2. So that would be equal to 9 out of 2. And then the last one, alpha cube plus beta cube. So I can write alpha plus beta cube if I did that. So then I'd get equals alpha cube plus 3 times alpha square beta plus 3 times alpha beta square plus beta cube. So I can group the terms, alpha cube plus beta cube plus 3 times alpha beta times alpha plus beta. So what happens is, you see, we can write alpha plus beta is 3 out of 2. So 3 out of 2 cube equals alpha cube plus beta cube plus 3 times alpha beta is 1 out of 3, and multiplied by alpha plus beta, which is 3 out of 2. So we get 27 out of 8 equals alpha cube plus beta cube plus 3 out of 2. So therefore we can write alpha cube plus beta cube equals 27 out of 8 minus 3 out of 2, and that equals, the denominator is 8, so it will be 27 minus 2 times, you get 4 is 8, 3 times 4 is 12, so that equals 5 1, 15 out of 8. So alpha cube plus beta cube would equal 15 out of 8. And that completes the question. Thank you so much for viewing, and if you liked the video, please do subscribe. Thank you.